Introducing the ultimate sitting solution, Newtral Ergonomic Chair. Now, let me show you the magic behind this chair. Feel instant comfort as soon as you sit down. It can automatically move along the waist. Adaptive lower back support to reduce lumbar disc pressure at any position. It automatically adjusts the back support to maintain a comfortable sitting position. It tilts back in wide angle and adapts to the curve of your back. Experience maximum comfort at all times.
Hello! Today I'm going to introduce you a useful product with a drawer.
This item comes with a practically slide-out drawer to store your office tools. The monitor stand riser length can be adjusted from 27 inches to 38 inches, and angle can be adjusted plus minus 90 degrees. You can change the length and angle of your visual aids you like. This unique design can accommodate two monitors at the same time. Works on laptops and desktops. There is also an iPad slot for tablets, your cell phone, and your pen. There is a small area underneath where you can store your keyboard and your mouse. For a better productivity and well-being, you deserve it.